This time we will consider the balanced budget multiplier. The main essence of balanced budget multiplier is that increase in public expenditure that means del G, it will be financed by increase in lump sum tax, that means del G. So in other words, we can write here dG equals to dt. Again we start with the same equations, that product market equilibrium y equals to a plus b into y minus t plus IR plus g. And the money market equilibrium condition KPY plus LR equals to M bar by T. And here precondition is given as dG equals to dt. So both T and G are variable. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So if we differentiate equation 1, we will get dy equals to a plus b into dy minus b into dt plus I dash dr plus dg. This is equation 1. And if we differentiate money market equilibrium, we will get kp into dy plus L dash dr equals to 0, or from here L dash dr equals to minus kp dy, or dr equals to minus kp dy divided by L dash. So this is equation 1a, this is equation 2a. Now we plot equation 2a, either replace dr by equation 2a, and we get dy equals to a plus b dy minus b into dt plus, so this will be minus I dash kp divided by L dash into dy plus dg. And here we will replace dt by dg, because we are considering here that change in government expenditure is exactly, public expenditure is exactly equal to the change in tax. So increase in expenditure equals to increase in tax. So dt can be replaced by dg. So in left hand side we will do dy minus b into dy plus I dash k dash by I dash into kp by L dash into dy into dg into 1 minus b. So if we take dy as common, dy into 1 minus b plus I dash kp by L dash equals to 1 minus b into dg, or dy by dg equals to 1 minus b divided by 1 minus b plus I dash kp by L dash. So here we can compare this multiplier with two different multipliers. Number one, the balanced budget multiplier in simple Keynesian model, and the government expenditure multiplier in ISL model. So balanced budget multiplier in simple Keynesian model is dy by dg equals to 1. But here we see the value is definitely less than 1 because I dash negative, L dash negative, so I dash Kp by L dash is positive. So numerator is less than the denominator, so it is less than 1. So in simple Keynesian model, balanced budget multiplier is 1. Here it is less than 1 because of this crowding out effect. In ISLM model, in the simultaneous equilibrium model with commodity and money market, whenever there is only any type of expansionary fiscal policy without any supporting monetary policy, expansionary fiscal policy will always increase the aggregate demand and excess demand situation in the money market. So if it is not supported by proper money supply, what will happen? Rate of interest will rise and there will be crowding out effect. So that's why the value of balanced budget multiplier in ISLM model is less than 1, whereas it is 1 in the equals to 1 in simple Keynesian model. This difference arises due to the crowding out. Second thing, if we compare this multiplier with the public expenditure multiplier in ISLM model also. So in ISLM model, public expenditure multiplier is given as 1 divided by 1 minus B plus I dash into Kp by L dash. So just compare between in here numerator we have this minus B component. So in numerator 1, here the denominator is same in both cases, but numerator is smaller. So the volume of balanced budget multiplier in simple Keynesian model is less than the volume of normal public expenditure multiplier. Why? Because in this case, in one hand, government is trying to boost up the aggregate demand by increasing the public expenditure. But on the other hand, the government is also increasing the tax. So that's why we have done here dy equals to, dg equals to dt. So if tax rises, we know that tax is always called a leakage. Increase in tax in one hand, the increase in public expenditure is directly boosting up the aggregate demand. But on the other hand, whenever tax is being increased, that will reduce the disposable income of the consumers. So what will happen? The consumption is falling on the other side. So that will dampen the effect of the multiplier, expansionary fiscal policy. Here the expansionary fiscal policy is being dampened by the increase in tax. Increase in tax means that is some kind of leakage that will weaken the aggregate demand. So here we will get the higher impact of multiplier, higher impact of the fiscal policy. That's why the numerator in this case is greater than the numerator in this case, because B is positive. 1 minus B must be less than 1. So here what we see, that increase in one hand, government is increasing the public expenditure, but on the other hand, the aggregate demand is weakened by the increase in tax level. So that makes the difference between normal government expenditure multiplier and the balanced budget multiplier in simple Keynesian model. Not simple Keynesian model, in the ISLM model. So anywhere, whenever we find simple Keynesian model, whenever we find be it simple Keynesian model, be it ISLM model, in both cases, the value of the public expenditure multiplier will be more than the value of the balanced budget multiplier.